Hey guys, welcome back. This is another awesome project that was sent to me by Victoria's Moon, and this is actually a paint by number kit. They offered to send me a diamond painting, which was my last unboxing, and a paint by number kit, and they shipped them separately. Probably has to do something with being different factories and all, but yeah, I am so ready to do a paint by number kit. I was actually preparing to do a paint by number kit until their diamond painting arrived, and I was like, oh okay, I'll do the diamond painting. But it's been so long since I did a paint by number kit, and I just cannot wait. Ooh! Look at this box. This looks nice. Oh, we even get directions. Okay. So, yeah, let's have a look inside what we have. Okay, so when I open it up, this is what I see. So the canvas is folded. Let's get it out. Now this painting was very unique in my opinion. Okay, so that's it. I'd never seen it before, and I look at a lot of paint by number kits on AliExpress and all. Let's see what we have. Okay, so we'll look at that later. So this looks very nice. I'm going to insert a picture right here of what it's supposed to look like when it's finished. So yeah, I don't come across a lot of paint by number kits that actually have words, but I always like the slogan, be a unicorn in a field of horses. So, and it just looked beautiful with all the pastel colors. So yeah, okay, we got this, which is absolutely perfect. If you've already painted over a number, this will help you figure out what color it was supposed to be. And even if you want to do some blending afterwards, you can check this, see what numbers you need to blend to get the right color. I love it when they send these. I didn't expect so many tiny areas actually, but I'm sure that's going to add a lot of detail. Let's zoom in a little so you can sort of see what I'm talking about. Okay, so the numbers are nice in the center. I like it when it's like that. Sometimes they put them on the edges, and it's easy to cover them with another color, but this looks pretty good. Okay, so while you're this close, no, I need to zoom out a little. Hold on. Let's look at the tools that we get. So here we have the picture again. These are the paints. Not a lot of paints, actually. But let's open this. This will make some noise, by the way. Sorry. Okay, so we get the instructions how to read the numbers. Okay. So how many colors do we have? 13 colors. That's not a whole lot, is it? Do we have any doubles? We should have some doubles. Oh, we don't have any doubles at all. Okay. So this is a bit weird to read, but yeah. The pots only have the sort of like DMC color on them, and this sheet will tell you what number it is. I think what I'll do is put tiny labels on here with the actual color of the canvas. So I think that will make it easier to do this painting, so I don't have to look up every time which color I have to use. I don't know, I think it will be easier. So, nice soft colors. I'm so surprised it only has 13 colors, but yeah. So these are the instructions that tell me how to read it. But yeah, pretty obvious. Okay, so the tools. Very, very standard tools, but not bad at all. I use these brushes all the time. And we have the box set, but it was. Let me get the box back. Oh, I have these out. Okay. So the box set. Canvas hangers. Check it out. Canvas hangers. So, yeah. I think they also sell these with a DIY frame because it's on the box. Of course it's not in here, but that's okay. When I want to hang a painting like this, I have the standard like canvases that I can just sort of fold this around and staple it on the back. Hard to describe. I'll have to show you sometime, which I will do, no worries. Okay. So yeah, like I said, these brushes are not bad at all. I use them all the time. Really hope I will have enough paint, because this is like the lowest amount of paint pots I've ever gotten. But as always, let's check out the brushes. We have a very, very small brush, a medium brush. The medium brush is usually what I use for the entire canvas. And we have a nice wide brush. If you have large areas of one color, you can definitely use that. It has a one strand. Okay, easy to fix. Let's open up a pot, shall we? Oh, actually looks a little more liquidy than I'm used to with these pots. They're nice and filled to the top, so hopefully I will have enough. I'm really thinking about putting gesso on this painting, on this canvas before I do it. Yeah, I'm not really sure yet. I'm not really sure. That is a project maybe for later. Let me get you back so we can do something that I never actually do. These are usually 40 by 50 paintings, and they're always 40 by 50, like exactly 40 by 50, like exactly. But yeah, here we go. Okay, it's actually 39.8, but yeah, definitely 40 by 50. I will start working on this as soon as my diamond painting is finished from Victoria's Moon. I'm over halfway done, so I'm going pretty fast. So yeah, the update on this and the diamond painting shouldn't take too long. I also tried to record a time lapse of this painting, but I will not include it in the final review because some people really hate time lapses, so I'll just post that separately. But yeah, nice little project, and I can't wait to start working on this. So if you want to see what it looks like finished and want to hear my final thoughts about the paints and all that stuff, please stay tuned. For now, I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you guys very soon. Take care. Bye.